Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you that .tlauncher is actually virus. I searched on Google. It said that Tlauncher is safe. Many people say that Tlauncher is virus, and other people say it has spyware. It has ton of risk. If you have Tlauncher account, it has email address inside Tlauncher account. It steals your balance or memories. 60% of Tlauncher user doesn't care about this virus. But the safest launcher is Legacy Launcher. It's for low-end PC. Whatever Tlauncher and Legacy Launcher is different in low-end PC. I found a launcher for gaming PC Windows 10 and above for 64-bit. If you found this video very helpful, make sure to delete Tlauncher completely. Also subscribe this video and share this to your friend that he plays Tlauncher. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.